Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Cloudflare Pages to deploy your no-code web app. Quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. To get started, navigate to the Cloudflare Pages website. If you don't have a Cloudflare account yet, create one by signing up. Once logged in, click on the Create a Project button. You will be prompted to connect your GitHub or GitLab account. Authorize Cloudflare to access your repositories. Select the repository that contains your no-code web app. Once selected, you'll see Deployment Settings. Choose the branch you want to deploy from, typically the main branch. Next, configure the build settings. For a no-code web app, you may not need a build command. If your app requires a specific command, enter it in the provided field. In the Output Directory field, specify where your built files are located. This might be something like dist or build, depending on your setup. Click the Save and Deploy button to proceed. Cloudflare Pages will start the deployment process. You can monitor the deployment status on the page. Once the deployment is complete, you will see a preview link. Click on the preview link to view your live application. If everything looks good, you can set up a custom domain later. To do that, go to the Settings tab on your project page. Find the Custom Domains section to add your own domain. Follow the instructions to verify your domain ownership. That's it. Your no-code web app is now successfully deployed on Cloudflare Pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.